off of my property.
Okay, Grandpa. Then I hell think it's damn likely too. Sleep, Orel. I'm gonna live here for a while. Okay, you first.
That everything there's room enough to
Yeah.
What are they, Grandpa?
You don't know what chickens are?
Sure. Chickens come from the refrigerator.
Well,
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Wow.
whoa.
Down here. I've been keeping an eye on your son, Mayor. It seems
Grandpa, because I don't need proof to trust you.
And why is that?
Because you're my grandpa. Oh, yeah. Grandpa is bad and shouldn't be trusted.
Remember, son, even though you are the perfect candidate for brainwashing in this town, you are also too pure and good-hearted to be corrupted. Love, Grandpa.
Dad's a jerk. I'm not really comfortable hunting with you right now. I hate you.